Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Man, it's a new year, 2019. How you guys doing out there? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're doing great, actually. I'm doing just fine. Everything's okay. We're just improving everything, all right? Let me get rid of this music in the background. All right, so making some real substantial improvements. Uh just really trying to figure out how I should take this channel. I've been really been able to really think about what has occurred, and you know what happened. So I don't want to talk about it, but I made money. You guys made money. We lost money. I lost money. I lost a lot of money, actually. I made a lot of money too, and I lost a lot of money. So are we up in a year? I hope so. I'm up for last year. Now I figured, selling bots is kind of, I don't know if that's a thing you should do. Because when you get a good bot, I don't think you're going to sell it. You know what I mean? Like right now, I got a bot that's so damn good. I'm not trying to sell it. So, but I am thinking about everybody like, hey, man, maybe I can help you guys code a bot. Maybe that's where I take things. Yeah, that's where I want to take things. Yeah, I think so. So, I mean, really. That's what I want to do. So I got like 4 bots running right now at the same time. I know today's proof of keys day. I'm just really getting back into the groove of things, and I'm not really, trying to make a video where I'm just, trying to, I guess, sell a bot, I guess. All right. But what I am trying to do is show you guys what I've been doing and how I plan on helping out, and it's gonna be cool. Now, I mean, would I ever sell access to this? I'm not sure. I don't think that's a good thing for me, because everybody gets in on this, and then it's like the profit dwindles. You know what I mean? But this thing is doing awesome. Look, the list of trades for this is a 1 minute. So if you guys know anything about 1 minute, here's the list of trades just so you guys can see. This was trading since the 14th, which is November 14th. Okay, here's the trades. You got like 138, 355, 251. Just going down the list. You know how I do it here. Here's $9 loss. Okay, here's another $9 loss. Here's another $25 loss. As you can see, this is one of those ones where it's like okay, now we're getting some losses, right? Yeah, you gotta get some losses in there. Last trade was win of 114. I've been taking these trades, every last one of these trades, since I don't know when I started doing it. I think about a week ago. So since the 25th. These trades have been looking like this. So, I can do I would do a performance summary, but let's just go in and show you how I actually, this is my reversal point RPI strategy. So, what I would do is I would typically go into this like this, and then I would get in to the dates right here, and I would basically go to the 12th, and I would go to like the 25th. Let's see, since Christmas, that's what it looks like, since Christmas, you know what I mean? But this is just one of my bots that I'm running on the same program. I think I started it on the 17th, to be exact. Yeah, the 17th. Approximately. So I made about 2,500 in one of my accounts. All right. So if I go to the other one over here that I'm running, and I'm on Deribit. Yeah, that's news for today. I'm on Deribit, right? And I'm on BitMEX. So I got this strategy on one BitMEX account and a Deribit account, which is my PBot one. This one strategy right here is being ran. All right, this is a variation of the strategy I just showed you, which is the same strategy, which is reversal point RPI, right? Which I'm not selling, but I am going to show you guys how to make bots like this. All right, just to show you, how we get down with this. But yeah, over here, what you'll see, you know, on the 1 minute, all right, is a you know, almost same thing. All right, so what I can say is that what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this up to the 12th to December 19th, right? All right, that 2017 gotta go back to 2018. Yeah. All right, so yeah, about 2000, same thing. But look at the max drawdown on that. It's taking less trades though. That's why I look at these things. I'm saying, you know, let's see which one hits the exchange and sticks and get filled. We want to know which one gets filled on the exchange, right? That's how I've been live coding and running these, and I've been like, damn, it doesn't get on the exchange, so I'll change something in the code. Now they're sticking on the exchange. You know, that's what you got to do, and that's why I run live with real money. I don't use the test account, because if it doesn't get filled, you don't want your bot trading at times that is not getting filled, like during a whipsaw action, like, you know, when it's extreme volume, like high volume, you know, on BitMEX and on Deribit, you're gonna get a system overload error, which is like your trade is not gonna get in because there's so many people and so many API bots trading because of whatever. I don't know what causes it, but everybody starts trading at the same time, and you can't get in. It's like a line on Black Friday. You know, it's like a line that's out the door. You know, like you can't get in. You're not gonna be able to trade, man. You're getting that deal. To get that deal, obviously it's deal time. You know, you get that price as the best price to buy, and then boom, everybody's buying or everybody's selling. All right. So you don't want your bot trading around those times. Is this thing on? Can you guys hear me well? Oh, so I'm not looking at my what we call these the live chat. Yeah, so I'm gonna be trying to, you know, fix all of that because I like to talk to people and I want that to happen. So anyway, getting back over here and trying to figure out how we're gonna handle everything, right? Yeah, so that's about it. Proof of keys day, I thought it was gonna be much more bigger event. One of my teammates was like, yeah, I thought it was gonna be a sell-off. I mean, think about it. If you take all your Bitcoin off the exchange, right? And then that's probably perfect time to start selling, because I don't understand like that thinking that it's like, oh, I'm gonna start selling now. Well, think of it like this: the exchanges, that might be a dumbass time to start selling, right? Because if you, I mean, I don't know. What do you guys think? I don't know, man. It's crazy, but you know, I've been hearing people and professionals like, yeah, you take your coins off and then they start selling it, you're not gonna be able to sell. So you're gonna lose. But I mean, I think the same thing can occur. Well, it can't recur in reverse. The only bad part is if you own half coins and the price goes up, that's a good thing. So I think I don't know. It's hard to comprehend those types of things. You know what I mean? Just off-site, and you know, I'm just shooting the crap because it's a New Year's, and you know, I'm just chilling with me and my bots. All right, so look, I'm happy. Yeah, these things are performing extremely well. If you want to go back into some history and see how this thing's been doing, maybe I should do that. Wait. Let's go back up and fix the dates on here. So the date for this would be 11/14. Let's get that in there. All right, 11/14. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just pull this back. Now these are recent trades. These are all. Now, if I show you, you know, I did show you what this thing did. Let's go to the list of trades. So first trade, and I'm gonna show you which section. I'm on this section right here on my chart, and then this section over here is the other bots on this section. So this section is the yellow section right here. I've color coded everything, so that's for my one API label that I use called Crypty, and my alerts right here. Okay, so you can see these are just two alerts I'm using. Which one is, here's Crypty and pbot 1. You know, they're both shooting these alerts. When these alerts fire, it shoots with this, from this code right here, it's going to shoot out, you know, 2 orders to 2 separate exchanges, one to BitMEX and the other one to Deribit. Okay, and if you have access to my Discord, I'll show you guys how to code the auto view code for the Deribit exchange and the BitMEX exchange. So you can do this. They're different. They behave differently. You can't easily port one, like take your BitMEX code and port it over to Deribit. It's just, they just handle their orders differently. One for one, Deribit, they do contracts. Each one is equal to $10. So, and on BitMEX, each one is equal to $1. Okay, so you know, so when you put 2 in, BitMEX is looking at that like $2, and but on Deribit it's looking at it like $20. So you gotta be careful. 2 contracts. We're talking about contracts, all right, or you know, because we're doing, you know, futures. Futures, we deal in contracts, which is a multiple dollar amount per contract that you sign. All right. Now, let me see if I can pull this down. I don't know what I'm really trying to say is, I guess what I'm trying to show off is, you know, show off, right, is the trade history on this tab here. So let's just pull that up and just pull these down. So it caught it on the 18th to the 20th right here. You know, it caught this $1,100. Was it a short? It caught it. I was like, yeah, I'm keeping this settings for this one. All right. All right. Now look, these are just, you know, out of what the total trades was. What was the total trades? You can find that down here. Total closed trades was 53. I have an open trade right now and open P&L right now, and on the exchange right now. This is actually on the exchange. It's $85. Okay. Now, we interpreting this, the way I set my bots up is that under the properties tab for your strategy, I tend to put the price Bitcoin was during the first trade. All right. When you do that and you trade with one contract, don't confuse this with BitMEX and Deribit contracts, because Tradingview strategy, the strategy tester right here, okay, which is, you might see it right here. This strategy tester is calculating based on your strategy properties. Okay, I got a commission. This is BitMEX, and this is the same commission for BitMEX, and this is the same commission for Deribit for the perpetual, the inverse perpetual Bitcoin futures contracts. Okay, perpetual inverse swap contract, you know, and I can put 5 ticks in or 20 ticks in. It's just for slippage. Okay, you see the difference is not that big, huge of a difference, but more realistically, I haven't seen this thing slip since I've been programming it live. Like, I program it as I was placing orders, and I make tweaks to it so I can catch it before, you know, so I can make sure it actually takes where it should, because you don't want it to be, you know, placing orders in high volume. You know, you're gonna get some major slippages. So these programs, these bots that I've used, they don't do that, and I'll be doing some tutorial videos on how I accomplish that. You know, just on YouTube. Not even, you know, just basic stuff. I'm not gonna show you my bot, this bot. I'm not gonna show you my profitable bots. I'm not even gonna sell those to you unless you got $200,000. I mean, then we can talk. You got $200,000, we can talk. All right, straight up. Straight up. All right. But you should, after, you know, going through my videos, you should be able to have a profitable bot up. Straight up. I'm definitely going to show you how to do that and how to avoid a lot of the problems I had. But as far as having a bot that's going to remain profitable, like this one, you know, that's a big claim, right? This one's going to stay profitable. That's a big claim to make. telling you, because nobody in the industry has a bot that stays profitable without them. You know, they always got to go back and make some adjustments. You can't just sit back and, you know, the bot's just doing its own thing forever. Not AI. No AI is doing that. No, nothing's doing that. Now, there is a strategy bot out there that they will not reveal to anyone, from the Renaissance hedge fund, super black box, man. I'm talking about they keep secrets from each other, okay, from different departments on what's going on. Like, they got like 20 departments and none of them know what they're doing. That type of shit, man. So they can remain profitable, but they have 100 Sharpe ratio. About that's like 100, 200 Sharpe ratio. Like, isn't that crazy? You can't understand what they are doing. This is a mathematical genius that's running that company. He's just hired a bunch of mathematicians and quants and coders, and their bots are doing that. And go look up Renaissance. Yeah, I'm not playing, man. Those guys. I want in. I want to know what's going on. But you gotta, you know, you're not gonna know, man. It's just not gonna work. So yeah. Anyway, so why would I sell my strategy? Right? You understand what I'm saying, right? You understand? Why would I sell my strategy if it's profitable, right? You understand what I'm saying? Why? Think about that. All right, so, you know, there we go. Taking it like that. I'm new to this, sort of, kind of. You know what I mean? Doing this like 2 years. You know, but I've been programming since I was 12. So the programming side is easy. The trading side is difficult. Fuck yeah. And I've been disillusioned. You know, I had the illusion that this back test was so, ooh yeah, the back test, it's traded. That's how much it made. That's what I'm doing right now. No, do you think I'm doing that right now? No, I'm looking at this back test screen right here, and I'm like, all right, let's see how long this lasts. All right, but I can tell you my wisdom and experience has went into this strategy right here. So it is what it is, okay? And I don't think it's going to fall out of profit, but I'm also not going to sell this one. So we making changes, all right? Like I said, all right, that's what it is. I mean, hey, we take hits, we all take hits, all right? And then we make profit, we all make profit. But I'm gonna just say it like this. Code your own bot, man. Code your own bot. That's a new, and do your own research, all right? All right. And code your own. All right. That's what we on. All right. And I got some things in development, like I said, you know, some projects of mine are coming along. Like, you guys are not gonna fucking, you know, but it's okay. It's okay. You guys are not gonna believe it, but it's happening. All right. And it's gonna be very helpful for you and your bot and my bot. Put it that way. All right. So that being said, I mean, what else can I put in here? I mean, thinking about what I was thinking about. Thinking about what I was thinking about. All right. So yeah, Bitcoin size of the coin, 53 trades. The other one was trading. How many trades? It's easy to just press tab and you can switch to the next. This was from the 46 trades since the 19th, 18th. All right. Performance summary, 7 Sharpe ratio. That's not bad. Largest losing trade was 67. If I pull this thing back a month, let's go back to last month. Let's go back to the 14th. All right. And then get rid of this thing. Largest losing trade, still 67 bucks. All right. But we made like $12,000 in the course of 1 month. Okay. That's great. All right. Performance. Look, Sharpe ratio went down. Isn't that weird? But look at that profit factor. See, when I see a profit factor at 21, I swear to God, I have multiple orgasms. Oh my God. You know, that's what I do straight up. Like, you know, this shit's crazy, but that's what happens. You know what I'm saying? Excuse me, but yeah. Anyway, but pull this shit over here. Let me see. I just want to pull this down just so we can. We're looking at something that trades a lot. All right, mind you, this one trades 117 trades. I'm running these two on two separate accounts. One on BitMEX, which is my riskTrader 2 bot, and another one on Deribit. The same strategy right here. It's coming along pretty good. I mean, I'm not gonna say I haven't seen the chop come in yet. Just, you know, when it comes in, it hasn't really affected the bot. Recently, this last move right here, it caught that, and then it just shot the fuck up. And you know how happy I was when I saw that shit. I was just like, God damn, fuck, I'm happy. All right, and then over here, all right, let me pull this up. You know, it's the same strategy, but less. You know, 53 trades versus the, I'm gonna just hit tab real quick. This should work. 53 trades versus, damn, shit, didn't work. All right, 53 trades plus, come on, 100, I mean, plus, versus 117 trades. Okay, if I zoom out, hit the auto. All right, let's do it like that. All right, and then I'm gonna tab. Okay, zoom out the mouse button, mouse wheel. All right, and then let's just go to the front, the edge of time. Hit this again. Make sure I go to the edge of time. Now then you can see, right? You can see like, okay, this thing is trading a lot more than this, but it's pretty much the same trades being hit, except the lesser the trades. This seems like, you know, but you're not getting as much profit as well. You know, this is the same time frame, but you're getting better. You know, I don't even know if the Sharpe ratio is better. No, see, the Sharpe ratio is not better. That's what's funny. But if I pull it over here, Sharpe ratio doesn't really, you know, so it makes me think, why am I looking at the Sharpe ratio? All I care is about the profit factor and the percentage. Maybe the percentage profitable is cool, but yeah, definitely the profit factor now, you know, is something you want to be high, and you don't want any trades lower than, you know, like, you know, your average trade should be around, you know, $40, higher than $40, because it just, you know, you got to account for the losing trades. If every one of your trades is averaging at $40, and you know your profit factor is, you know, not high enough, you're probably getting, you know, a profit factor means every losing trade is 21 times less than your winning trades, okay? Or your vice versa. You know, all your winning trades are 21 times bigger than your losing trades on average. So that's what I mean. So if your average trade is $40, you gotta be like, your profit factor must be high, or it must, if it's low, if it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Think about that. Like, okay, my losses are like, you know, $5, $10 losses. I don't know. That, to me, it doesn't never pan out when it hits the exchange. All right, so yeah, so big deal. All right, this is a big deal. All right, not a small deal. This is a big deal. All right, and I'm just gonna end it here. I don't want to talk your ear off. I just really wanted to, you know, make sure you guys know that I haven't went anywhere. It's the proof of key event happening today. I don't know if everybody took their keys out or not. I don't know if who's participating, who ain't. But I can tell you one thing. Bitfinex has stopped people from withdrawing. So Bitfinex is a scam. All right, pretty much. They don't have the funds. So, you know, that was the whole real reason why, you know, we wanted to, you know, do proof of keys, because we want to see if the exchange actually has the money on board, and who doesn't have the money on board is going to reveal themselves, because they're not going to let you take it out, because they, you know why? Because they don't have the money to let you take it out. So Bitfinex is the reason why we can't get a goddamn futures approved. I got a phone ringing, I'm sorry. That's the reason why we can't get futures approved, because, you know, SEC is like, you know, hey, there's shady shit going on in the crypto world. And it's like a company like that, you know, Bitfinex ain't up part, man. Come on. I've always said that from day one for my channel. I've been saying that from day one on my channel. I've never fucked with Bitfinex and will never fuck with Bitfinex. Fuck Bitfinex. Man, that's straight up, straight up, straight up. I don't like Bitfinex. They're giving us a bad name. I'm telling you. It's enough manipulation as it is, but for you to not have the coins after we deposit it, if everyone wants to take it out, it's like, what the hell are y'all doing? Like, what part of the game is that? You know what I mean? So anyway, I'm out here. Peace and profit. Straight up.